Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Jiffy cornbread. First, grab an 5-ounce box of Jiffy corn muffin mix. You'll also need 1 egg and 1/3 cup of milk. Before mixing, make sure to preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This simple recipe is perfect for a quick and tasty side dish, bringing a comforting warmth to any meal with minimal effort and common ingredients. Now let's get that batter ready. In a medium-sized bowl, combine the entire contents of the Jiffy corn muffin mix with your 1 egg and 1/3 cup of milk. Stir these ingredients together gently until they are just moistened. It's important not to overmix. A few small lumps are actually fine and will result in a tender cornbread. This quick step ensures a perfect texture. With your batter mixed, it's time to bake. Pour the prepared batter into an 8x8-inch baking pan that has been lightly greased. Place it into your preheated 400-degree Fahrenheit oven. Bake for approximately 15 to 20 minutes or until the top is a beautiful golden brown. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center. It should come out clean, indicating it's perfectly baked. Once your cornbread is out of the oven, let it cool for a few minutes in the pan. This helps it set and makes it easier to cut. Serve it warm with a pat of butter, a drizzle of honey, or alongside a hearty bowl of chili or soup. Any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days, ready for another delicious snack or meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.